Good morning, students. How are you all? How was your vacations? Did you enjoy your vacations? Yes? Okay, great. So, students, today we are going to start a new chapter and the last chapter, that is chapter number 9, Formatting in WordPad. I hope till chapter number 8 you have completed and submitted all your worksheets. Okay, so today we are going to start formatting in WordPad. So before starting, I will like to give you some general instructions. That is, your work should be in neat and clean handwriting, and the video lecture of the topic can be seen at the tutorial portal. And this worksheet is to be submitted on Ursel. Okay, so you have to submit this worksheet. You have to do all the question answers and all the fill in the blanks, whatever there is, whatever it is there in this worksheet. So you have to complete and send it to me for the checking. Okay, so before starting, this is your worksheet which I have made it for you. We will discuss it later. So first of all, open your books, chapter number 9. Okay. Okay, all of you, please take out page number 49. This is your last chapter, that is formatting in WordPad. Okay, so WordPad offers a wonderful facility for changing the appearance of the text. This facility of making changes in the document is called editing. The changes that we make to beautify the text is called formatting. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn that how can we format a document, or how, if you have written any paragraph or an essay, you can edit it. You can make a beautiful one by applying colors, by applying different background colors, etc, etc. So in this chapter we are going to learn how to format a WordPad. First is changing a font. What is a font? Do you know anything about font? The different shapes of the character are known as font. The font you choose affect the selected text in the document. WordPad sets the default font as the Calibri. To change the font, select the text, click on the font drop-down arrow in the font group on the Home tab, select the desired font in the list and observe the change. Okay, so this we will do practical. Okay, I will show it in my laptop how to change a font. Okay, so what is a font? Basically font क्या होता है? फॉन्ट इज द डिफरेंट शेप ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर. ठीक है, जैसे आप कुछ भी टाइप करते हो, लाइक यू टाइप योर नेम एज माई नेम इज स्वाति एंड आई टाइप दैट नेम एंड आई वॉन्ट टू इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज. मीन्स इट इज लुकिंग स्मॉल टू मी एंड आई वॉन्ट कि स्वाति जो है वो थोड़ा बिग दिखे मुझे, तो दैट इज अ फॉन्ट. वी कैन चेंज द फॉन्ट साइज. ओके, सो हाउ टू चेंज अ फॉन्ट साइज? First we have to select the text. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Okay, so this is your worksheet and I am creating a new, just wait. Okay, and I am creating a new WordPad. Okay, so here what I have written, I am writing something, okay, like my introduction. Okay, hi, enter my name is Swati, full stop. The S should be the capital. I live in Dehradun. Okay, so these two lines I have written, as you can see that the font size is very small. Okay, so to increase the font size, what you will do? You will first select the text. How to select the text? Just press shift key and the left arrow. Okay, look, I have selected the text. Okay, so now I want to change its font size. How will I change? Look here. Here in the home tab, this is the home tab. See the cursor? This is the home tab, and in the home tab you can see there are different groups. This is the clipboard group, this is the font group, this is the paragraph group, and this is the style group. Okay, here it is written style. Okay, so now what I want to increase the font size. See, by default the font size is 11. It is already set by the computer, or you can say the WordPad. Okay, if I want to increase the font size, I have already selected the text. What I will do, this is a drop down arrow. I will click on this and increase its font size. As you can see that when I am choosing the numbers like 12, you can see the change. It was earlier, it was 11. Okay, if I will move my cursor to 10, it will become little smaller. Then 9, it will again become a little smaller. If I am increasing the font size, as you can see, I am moving the cursor to the numbers and the font size is increasing accordingly. Okay, so this time I have chosen 20 as the font size. As you can see, the font size has got increases. So what we have to do, we have to first select the text. Without selecting any text, you cannot do anything. Okay, so first you have to select the text, and then you will go on the home tab, and from here a number is written in the home group, in the font group. You can see this is the font size, or from here also you can increase and decrease the font. Okay, this drop down arrow, as you can see, if you will click on this, it will get decrease, and if you will click on the upward arrow, it will get increase. Okay, so this is the increasing and decreasing of the font size. Okay, students, so you must try on your laptops and computer. You must have it in your home, so you can try to do how to increase and decrease the font size of any text or a character. Okay. Okay, now after changing the font, the next topic is using the font style. First is B. This B is for bold. Okay, this B is for bold. Select the text, click on bold button on the home tab. The text will be thicker than the ordinary text. Okay, so what? Now we have to change the font style. Okay, now I have only shown you how to increase this, how to increase the font size. Now we will change the font style. So there are 3 types of font styles, or you can say many font styles are there, but main font styles are bold, I for italic, and U for underline. Okay, so for bold, what first we have to do? We have to select the text and click on the bold button on the home tab. The text will get thicker than the ordinary text. Okay, next is italics. Now click on the italic button. The text will be tilted towards the right direction. And the third is, now click on the underline button. A line will appear on the a line will appear under the selected text. Okay, this also I will show you how to do. Just wait. Now eyes on the screen. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have already increased its font size. Now I have to apply some effect on the text. Okay, so look here on the under the home tab, you can see the font group where we have already increased the font size. You can see here it is bold, italic and underline. See the cursor, all of you. Okay, so bold. Now what we have to do, first we have to select the text. My text is already selected, but if you will not select the text, you will not see any changes in your text. Okay, so but what you have to do, you have to select your text first, and then you can apply any style. So see how bold affects. Look what happened. You can see. So by clicking on the bold button on the home tab, the text will be thicker than the ordinary text. As you can see, earlier how was our text? You can see I am Control Z. Okay, now earlier our text was like this. Okay, now what I am doing, I am clicking on the bold button. See what is the difference. See, our text has become little bit thicker. Okay, now this is italics. Now see what happens when I press this button. Now our text is going to slightly tilt towards the right direction. Look. See? Okay, I will show you again. Now I am clicking again on the italic button. Look. Okay. Okay. So now the next style is underline. So you will see that by clicking on this. Okay. Now by clicking on the underline, that is the another font style. See what happens. You can see that on this text we have applied all the three styles, that is bold. Bold has made our text little bit thicker. Italic has made our text slightly tilted towards the right direction, and underline has done, it has put, using this option, a line is appear below the text. Okay, so this was the bold, italic and underline. That is the font style. Okay, so there is a shortcut key if you don't want to use a mouse or if you don't want to use a mouse, you can also use a keyboard. How to make the text bold, italics and underline by using the keyboard. Okay, but what you have to do, for bold, you will click the shortcut key Control B. As you can see, the shortcut key for the bold is Control B, and the shortcut key for italic is Control I, and the shortcut key for underline is Control U. Okay, so these were the shortcut keys. You have to remember, you have to learn these shortcut keys. These are very easy, which you can apply. Okay, so moving to the next topic. Okay, one more thing I would like to make you understand, that by default there a font is kept as Calibri. As you can see, this one, Calibri, where my cursor is there. Okay, so by default the font style is Calibri. Okay, so you can change lots of styles. You can have, click on this drop down. As you can see, there are lots and lots of font. You can use any one of them. Okay, but by default the font style is Calibri. Okay, now our next topic is changing the size of the text. You can change the appearance of the text you have typed before performing any operation on the text. You must select the text you want to work with. Let's change the size of the heading friendship. Okay, so this is the changing of the size of the text, which I have already told you that how to change the style. We will just read and understand. Okay, now move the pointer to the left of the friendship. The pointer will change into IB. Now press and hold down the left mouse button and drag up till the end of the word, or hold on the shift key and press the right arrow to select the text. The word appears in the highlighted form. Click on the font size button in the font group. Select any size from the drop down list. Observe the change in the size of the text. Okay, so this I have already told you that how to change the style. Size of the text. What you have to do, you have to first select the text which you want to change. Okay, select करेंगे सबसे पहले, and then under the home tab in the font group you can see there is a font size box from where you can increase or decrease the font size. Okay, So moving to the next topic, that is changing text alignment. Now how to change the text alignment? First we will understand that what is the alignment. Okay, alignment refers to the positioning of text from the margin on the page. Okay, alignment means positioning of text from the margin. Word offers 4 types of alignment. This also you have to learn that how many types of alignments are there? 4 types of alignment. First, right, left, center and justify alignment. To change the alignment of your text, follow these steps. Select the text whose alignment is to be changed. Okay, so if you want to format any document, first you have to select it. Don't forget to select. First you have to select, then apply any effect on the text. Click on the alignment button in the paragraph group on the home tab which you want to select. Okay, then in the home tab in the paragraph group you can see the alignments. Okay, I will show you, just wait. See, this is the home tab, and in the not in the font group, in the paragraph group you can see 4 types of alignment. This is the left alignment. The shortcut key for the left alignment is Control L. This is the center alignment. Control E is the shortcut key, and this is the right alignment. Control R is the shortcut key, and this is the justified alignment. Control J. Okay, in the paragraph group. Okay, so now what I have to do, I am writing something here. Okay, I am writing introduction. Okay, so what I have to do, I will select, now I will align this word. How to do? First you have to select this word. Okay, so this word is now selected. Now what you have to do, you have to keep it in center. So this is the center line. So see, now previously introduction was here. Now I have applied the center alignment, so the introduction is in the center of the page. Okay, now this high I want, first I will select this high, and this high I want that the right alignment. Look, this is the right alignment. Okay, now justified alignment is basically used within the paragraphs. Okay, this is only the simple line. So let's see what happens. So I have clicked on the justify alignment. So justify alignment, justify alignments, what justify align do, it keep the text in between. So मतलब कि यहाँ से भी margin के equal space होगी, and from here also there will be the equal space. Okay, so this was the alignment. Okay, so this is the 4 types of alignment you have to remember that WordPad offers. First is the left alignment, that is Control plus R is the shortcut key. Center alignment, Control E is the shortcut key. Right alignment, Control R is the shortcut key, and Control J for the justified alignment. Okay, students. Okay, so in this class we are going to do these 3-4 topics which I have explained to you. Okay, so WordPad offers you the facility of changing the appearance of text. So to change any text is called editing. Changing the font I have already told you, and by default the font style is Calibri. Okay, next, changing the font style, using font style. So 3 types of style I have already made you understand that 3 types of style are bold, shortcut key is Control plus B. Control B is the shortcut key for bold. Okay, for italics, Control I is the shortcut key. Okay, and for underline, Control U is the shortcut key. Okay, next is the text alignment. 4 types of alignment are there. Right alignment, Control R for right alignment, Control L for the left alignment, Control E for the center alignment, and Control J for the justify alignment. Okay, so these are the topics which we have covered in this class. Okay, so now we will discuss this fill in the blanks. Dash button is used to make the text thicker than the ordinary text. So answer will be the bold button. Okay, I have shown you already that bold button makes the text thicker. Next, font, font style and font size options are available in dash group. Tell me, in which group? Yes, in font group. So the answer will be font. So next is the dash button on the toolbar is used to apply the underline text. Underline effect. So the answer is underline button. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to read and watch this video carefully, and you will going to understand that what all is there. Okay, now true or false? WordPad offers 3 types of alignment. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false, because WordPad offers 4 types of alignment, that is left, right, center and justify. So first statement is false. The WordPad sets the default font as Calibri. Yes, the statement is true. The shortcut key to underline the text is Control plus U. Yes, it is also correct. Okay, so here you have to write the shortcut keys of bold, that is Control plus B, center alignment, Control plus E, right alignment, Control plus R, and for italic, Control plus I. Okay, and these are the 3 question answers which you have to do in your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood whatever we have learned in this video. Okay, bye bye, take care.